What's going on? I tried to do a little camping last night and stayed in the Hammocks for a little while, but it got cold. So we dipped out with our stuff in the Jeep and bounced. Did cook some pretty banging hamburgers. Everybody decided they're gonna ride up the mountain today. I figured, yeah, I'll go. Got the lady in front of me on the four-wheeler. And I got the pitster out. It's like 71 degrees here in East Tennessee. Crazy. Damn old global warming. Now we have picked up about a total of one, including me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 machines maybe. Something like that. Got one XP 1000, one Razor Turbo, and a Maverick, a Can-Am 850 1000 four-wheeler, my 570, and I'm on my 140 right here holding it down. I kind of like these small bore bikes and stuff, just for the fact like they're hella cheap to operate. Like if I change the oil in this thing, it should last a long time. Like they're not super high revving or anything, so they kind of, I don't know. I've just had luck on everything that's like gutless, lasts forever. Every time I get like a 450R or something like that, they go pop on me. It's like that Grom, man. Like you couldn't kill that Grom. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on, Mike. Man, I did put, so this is just the 140R bike. So I need to keep the seat height down, so I didn't do the L or the G or whatever other 10 models there are to this bike. But when we were buying it, I was looking on eBay and I was like, I really want the better shock in the rear. And got on eBay and it was like 200 and some bucks for a 140L shock. So I was like, bet. So I bought it. I bought the bike, ordered the shock, ordered the front and BBR springs for the front forks, and like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty good for me being a big grown dude. And suspension's actually pretty nice on this bike. And I don't know what that Nissan was doing. But anyways, then I got my title in like, I don't know, it was about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I walked in the county clerk's office and I was like, yeah, I've street legal this. And they gave me a tag. And I love it. I probably ain't gonna do much more to this bike. Right now I've already got, this is called motolighting.com. It's for a KLX 110. But I got the 110 bars on here, the Pro Tapers. And I did my Pro Taper pillow tops like I do on a lot of bikes. I love that grip. And I just put the LED bar on and zip tied my tag. She's pretty bright. But I reckon we ain't gonna do nothing too serious of a ride today. Mainly some gravel. I feel like I can just literally yank this bike up. But last time I was messing around on this one trying to ride wheelies, I popped her in second, rode her into third, and clicked into fourth, and went and completely wrecked me. I mean, it was nasty. It looked like I had hamburger meat on my side. I was in Crocs and a swimming trunks, no shirt on. It was rough. bike's got me a little nervous messing around like that. I feel like every time we stop I smell dog shit, and I'm not sure where exactly it's at, but it's either on this dirt bike or on the four-wheeler, because it stinks. So that'll be one to figure out. I'm pretty bummed too, my camera on my cellular phone quit working. Noticed that last night when we went camping. Well, I say camping, but pretty much I went up and set my hammocks up, cooked and drank some beer in the woods, and then left. I can just yank this up like, that's wild. I don't like playing around on this bike like that too much because it hurt me. I still remember it. It's always the little bikes. It was like 70 in town. I'd say it's still like in the 60s, 60s. Here we go. Rock. Yeah. I'm so extreme. Skirt, skirt. The poopsie's coming. And I decide I want to do it at the camper instead up here on the mountain. But yeah, I hate my camping trip didn't make it last night. I think the wind gusts were like 35 miles an hour or something. That's what it was saying in town, so I don't know what it was on the mountain. But I know it was pretty rowdy. I do really enjoy these little pit bikes. They're just fun. Oh damn. A big old van. A rape wagon. And I can't believe the weather's like this and after Christmas here. Usually we've done had a pretty decent snow. And a lot of people must have family and like, let's go ride up a mountain. That's all I can figure. A lot of traffic on the road. Scoot, scoot. It's a time of year they always shut down. It's usually about by the first of the year. Most of the trails and gates and everything get shut up for a few months. I think they do it to give it the land time to heal or something, I guess. I don't know. Oh man, I wish I was off work tomorrow. Today's the day I should have done my camping. It's supposed to be like in the 70s all week, which is going to be amazing. It sucks I gotta work. There's a horse hitch. That's where you tie your horses up, take breaks. Right here is the insurance hole. See if I can. Nope, nothing cool down there. I reckon back in the day, if you didn't want a vehicle payment, you just yeeted it off the side here. The only thing I've ever seen was a Sea-Doo down there. A long time ago. Probably still in high school. I don't even know why it was down there, because it didn't look like one that anybody'd have a payment on. Skirt, skirt. Now, I've seen a video on them, the Honda. It's a CT 125 now, I think. It's like the remake of the old CT 90s. Somewhere some people had like the CT 90 and the new 125. They were in Alaska or something. Can't remember exactly who it was. I'm gonna go back to the camper and poop, and then I'm gonna drink some beers. I'm gonna try to watch that because it piqued my interest. I want to say, I guess maybe it was Redzilla Bike Man. I don't know. Anyways, I'd say just type in CT 125 Alaska. Be cool. I always get interested in the people doing the trips on like the small bores. Like I remember the looks I used to get on my Grom. Like when the few times I took it camping and had like my gear like on my 12 bar just strapped down. Had my knobby tires on it. People would always be like, what is that? Is that thing street legal? What sucks is like when you're on a small bike, you've always got somebody that comes up that's just dumber than hell. It's like, oh, I had a RM 185 and it was fast. It was the fastest bike I've ever had. Yeah, a cool story, bud. I hate that. You know what I mean? When you're filling up at a gas station, somebody comes up just to run their wiener washer. I got a friend. He don't have no legs, and he wrecked his motorcycle. Well, no wonder he wrecked his motorcycle. He didn't have no legs, man. See, that car back there understood the assignment. Because this 140's a ripper, boys. I like it when the leaves are off the trees and you can kind of see around the turns a little bit better. Scoop, scoop. That way you know you're not about to get creamed by a side-by-side or a car or something. I do feel like the DRZ, just having its 17-inch wheels, handles a lot better than these little bitty tires. And it's just got, it's got damn Continental Supermoto Evo Attacks or something, like the sticky compound. And it still feels better than the gravel in this bike. I think it's definitely the little tires. See, that's the thing, people be seeing us dudes, full-grown dudes riding these little bikes. They're like, oh my god, his wiener must be huge. Like that car, that one, I forget what that commercial was. It was like junky car, a huge wiener. I don't know. The scatterbrain, guys. I just ramble when I get on my bikes. I was seeing the thing the other day it was on TikTok that I thought was pretty wild. So there's people that can like have conversations with themselves, and then there's people that can't. I don't remember what it was called, but it was pretty crazy. It's like when I'm talking to you, like I can hear myself, as weird as it sounds, I can hear myself like planning for what I'm gonna say next. And like I don't know, like when I'm riding, I'll be like, you know, having conversations with myself, like, you know, thinking about like what I want to do the next day, stuff like that. But some people don't do that. They can't. So I don't know. Let me know. I'm curious. Can you guys have like full-blown conversations with yourself, or is that, I don't know, is that weird? No, I don't know, but I sure can. I don't know, that's weird. Some of y'all probably give me hell about that, but I don't know, I'm curious. I seen it on TikTok, and I was like, hell, I thought everybody, you know, was able to, you know, talk to theirself. It's not like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like talking to myself, but I have like a conscious voice. I don't know. Now y'all think I'm weird. Oh well, I am weird. Scoot, scoot on pavement. Hell yeah, boy. Nice TJ. I was talking to him on the four-wheelers, and I had this bike almost maxed out at one point. I was like, how fast we going? They were like, four-wheeler said, oh fuck. No sir, did not like that one. Wowzers, that dog was bigger than my bike. Woo, my heart's pounding. About got me. That made me nervous because I'm like, I ain't got no more. I was about to be kibble again. Every time. Shoot. Made me nervous. I wasn't gonna be able to outrun him. I'm gonna have to start carrying some milk bone with me. Here, puppy, eat this. Oh man, I already had to poop. That about full on had me shit my pants. Damn, boy. Scoot, scoot. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get back to the camper and see about editing some videos. Somebody whipped some machetes in that parking lot. Anyways, guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. I want to know if y'all can hear yourself talk or not. Answer me that one. See if we're all weird. Anyways, guys, go ahead and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. I'd really like to hit that 1,000 subs here pretty soon. I'm almost halfway there. So go ahead and sub if you watched it this far. It's totally free, y'all. Just do it. Now hit that like button. Anyways, guys, deuces.